Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has enough power. Emergency mode can block normal shutdown. Once done, plug in if battery is low and wake the screen. Now press and hold the power key or power plus volume down on some models until the power menu appears. You should see a reduced set of options, power off and emergency mode. Tap the visible power off option to expose the emergency mode toggle and prepare to disable it. Now focus on the middle steps. When the power menu is open, tap power off, then choose the emergency mode entry to reveal disable. You may be asked to confirm your PIN or password. Provide it. That's a security measure. After confirmation, tap disable or turn off and let the phone process. The system will restore normal apps and network functions. If the option wasn't visible, make sure to check settings, then battery and device care. You can toggle emergency mode off there as an alternate route. To finish, make sure the home screen and usual notifications return. Verify Wi-Fi and mobile data are working. Once done, open an app or two to confirm background services resumed. If the device remains in emergency mode, do a soft restart by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds to force reboot. This often clears stuck states. As a final troubleshooting tip, if rebooting fails, boot into safe mode or run a network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.